Welcome back to Harbro Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. And today, we haven't done one of these in a little bit since Prime Day, but every once in a while, there's a great deal. And these are the best deals on Amazon with price history, just to verify that these are their best and lowest price that they've been on. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing, and let's jump right in. Right off the bat, we have Wiha, the 32-piece GoBox Master Torx bit set with mini Ratchet. It's 36% claimed right now. It's 40% off. This is the lowest price that it's been on Amazon. $24.98. Shows only a history of about 2 years, but the lowest that it had been previously is about $29, but it's down to $24.98, and that's even lower. I believe I do have this. I have an old video where I compared a lot of the mini meme tools, and this is one of them, and this one is super nice, and it comes in this little mini ammo case. Feels super high quality. Comes with a little mini Ratchet, high quality extension with magnet, and these super high quality bits, or at least they seem like they're high quality. We assume that because it's Wiha, but 40% off, $24.98. It's a steal of a deal. If you don't have any mini Ratchet set, or if you want to double up on a mini Ratchet set, this is one to go with. Can't go wrong here. 40% off. Get it before it's completely claimed out, because there's no special deal going on right now. It's not Prime Day. It's not Black Friday, but it's at its lowest price. We continue. Some more Wiha. Wiha 32059, 5-piece insulated SoftFinish slotted Phillips screwdriver set. 22% off, $24.98. But let's verify the price history. Showing best price. You can barely see it in this corner, just above the Harbro Freight. But looking at it, has about 2-3 years of history. Came out at $43. Came down to this maybe during Prime Day, but in the 2-3 years, it normally hovers around $30 to $35. So $24.98. Also a steal of a deal for these Wiha insulated screwdriver sets. Let's keep going. We have some Felo 6¼ inch Felo cable cutter, VDE aluminum handle, made in Germany. We love Felo, and it says it right there. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Made in Germany, and we love our German tools. $44.29, a bit pricey, but for German tools, that sounds about right. Showing good deal, actually, not best deal. $44.29. It's been as low as $42.59, so it's been about $1-ish cheaper than this, but over the last 2 to 3 years, it averages about $60. So from what it's been averaging over the last couple years, it's about almost $20 off. Back in 2022, it did go down to the $42.59, but hasn't been back there since. So for the price history over the last few years, very good price on this Felo cable cutter. And we have some Vivore stick welder mini and portable 140 amp 2-in-1 arc lift TIG welder machine. Arc welder with hot start, arc force, anti-stick, IGBT inverter, portable MMA welder machine, 110 volts. And Vivore can be hit or miss, but sometimes they do hit. And here we have a limited time deal, 15% off, $50.99, 25% claim. Let's look at the price history, and it does show best price. Came out at $85, averages about $66. So about $15 to $16 off, and it is at its best price that it's been on Amazon. We continue some more Vivore. And with all the socket sales going on at Harbor Freight, hard time to suggest going against Harbor Freight. But here's a possible alternative if you're willing to take a flyer. The 1/2-inch drive impact socket set, 65-piece, 3/8 inch SAE to 1¼ inch in metric 10 to 24 millimeter 6-point CRV alloy steel for auto repair, easy to read size markings, rugged construction, storage case, 6-point socket drive design, $68.99, 68% claimed, claiming that it's 31% off, normally $100. But let's look at the price history. Looks like it did come out at $100, but of course the average is something a little bit less. Normally averages about $82. So more realistically closer to about maybe 20% off, down to $68.99, which is the lowest price that these Vivore 1/2-inch drive impact socket set, 65-piece. And some metric and SAE 6-point chrome vanadium and storage case are down to. So best price on Amazon. And then we have some Knipex diagonal pliers for flush cut plastics, 85 angled, 20% off. Always good to see the lowest price in 30 days. Good metric to follow, 44.54. And I looked at this first and I thought, great. Of course, we know Knipex is German. Great quality tools, but the picture's cut off. But then, no, it's not. They just threw me off a little bit in the picture, but looking super quality, of course, for Knipex. 44.54, 24% off, 20% off at 44.54. Price history is showing best price. Looks like it's bid as high as 115 bucks, which is nuts for these Knipex. But they do have 12 years of history. And those 12 years, they average 65 bucks. More recently, closer to $70. But they are down to 44.50, 44.54, which is the lowest price that they've been. So if it floats your boat, 44.54 for some flush plastics, pliers, good deal here. Great deal. And then move away from tools. I always trend towards toys for the toddlers, especially if they're at a great deal, because you can hurt your wallet just as much as you hurt your wallet when you're shopping at Harbor Freight. So here's this Animal Adventure Bluey 7.5-inch collectible plush. This is Bingo with the bunny ears. Headband, 45% off at $7.17. Excellent deal. Bluey show is absolutely amazing. And at 45% off for $7, a cool plushie makes a great gift for any of the little ones. And then, of course, just the price history. Not too long, but a little bit less than a year. Normally about $13, and it is roughly half off down to $7.17. So best price. And then we have this Harry Potter Snitch pet Squeaker toy. It's a dog squeaker ball and a golden Snitch. Play Quidditch with your fur pets. Crinkle dog toy, dog ball toy, squeaky ball for dogs. $4.89. $4.89 for an incredible dog toy. Best price, normally close to $10, but it is all the way down to $4.89. So incredible deal there if you're looking for a cool toy for your fur babies. And then last, we have this Hasbro Gaming Connect 4. Big fan of Connect 4 just in general, but more of a fan of game boards and games that you can play with your family or friends, and especially at such a bargain. So, but this is a little bit different. Features spinning Connect 4 grid, 2-player board games for family and kids, strategy board games, ages 8 and up, 43% off, and at 43% off, $6.48. Seems like an excellent deal, 39% claimed. And then looking at the price history, normally averages, wow, over $15, between $15 and $20, which is wild. So it is at a huge discount down to $6.48. But anyways, I'll leave it at that. The big one, the Wiha, the 32-piece GoBox Master Torx bit set with mini Ratchet. Get it before it's claimed. I have this. It is absolute quality. Excellent get. It's the cheapest that I've seen it. Everything will be linked in the description. And if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Good luck out there at Harbor Freight. Get your sockets, get your torque wrenches. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.